Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know Thanksgiving is a few days away and I'm so excited to share my delicious mac and cheese recipe with you. Here are the ingredients I'll be using to create this amazing dish. A list of all the ingredients and measurements will be provided in the description below. Here we have some evaporated milk, some heavy cream. Also I'll be using some Monterrey Jack and some sharp cheddar. But you guys can use any cheese of your preference. I know others will say that you have to use a particular cheese, but personally I think that's not the case. You can use any cheese you like. Here I have some Cheez-It I'll be using to top off my mac and cheese. I have 1 egg, some butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, some chopped garlic, onions, Cajun spice, and last but not least, some elbow pasta. Next, I'll go ahead and start making the roux. I'll begin by melting the butter, then gradually add in the flour. Guys, you want to do this on a low heat. Guys, you want to continuously stir until the flour is fully dissolved. I'm going to slowly add the evaporated milk and continuously stir to avoid any lumps. Guys, you can also use oat milk as a substitute for evaporated milk. Now we're gonna add our heavy cream and continue stirring. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the onion and garlic, but this is totally optional for you. But I just love the flavor it gives the mac and cheese. Now that we've added all the other ingredients, it's time to add our cheese. We're going to continue whisking until the cheese is fully dissolved. Now we're going to go ahead and add some more cheese and continue whisking. At this time, you can add some more milk to get to your desired consistency. Guys, now that my cheese mixture is finished, I went ahead and transferred it to this bowl. However, you can finish it off on the stove, but it's much easier for me to do it this way. Next, I'll add the already cooked pasta to the cheese mixture and fold it in. I'm gonna go ahead and add the egg to the mixture, and what this does, guys, it acts as a binding agent. I'll go ahead and add some Cajun seasoning to give the mac and cheese that extra kick. Now we're gonna go ahead and transfer our mixture to the baking dish, then top it off with some Monterrey Jack. Now for the final touch, we're gonna add some Cheez-It Then place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it, guys. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, see you next time.